Good morning, children. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. As we know that we are doing chapter number 10, that is time. So almost times all exercises we have done. Now we'll start our new topic, that is calendar. Right. In the last tutorial class we have already done how to write a time. Okay. So we'll start today calendar. First of all, tell me what is calendar? Do you have calendar in your home? Yes, everyone has calendar in their homes. So, a calendar is a table showing the days, weeks and months of a year. It's it displays all the dates and days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. The days of the week in order are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, what is calendar? Calendar means it displays it's the table of days, weeks and months. कैलेंडर में हमारा पूरा डेटा होता है डेज का, मंथ्स का और वीक्स का. ओके, सो वी नो दैट 1 वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं? 7 डेज होते हैं. आप अपना वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू डेज करते हैं, राइट? और जितने इवेंट्स आते हैं वो आपके मंथ मंथ में भी आते हैं और डे वाइज आते हैं. ओके, तो हम सबको पता है कि 1 वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं? 7 डेज होते हैं. और अगर हम उनको ऑर्डर वाइज रीड करेंगे तो कैसे करके हम उनको रीड कर सकते हैं? लाइक मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे एंड संडे. एंड नाउ आई एम आस्किंग टू यू दैट व्हाट इज़ द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द वीक. अभी मैंने आपको सीक्वेंस में बताया कि मंडे से आपका डे स्टार्ट होता है एंड एंड आपका संडे पे होता है. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द फर्स्ट डे? तो अगर मैंने आपसे पूछा कि फर्स्ट डे कौन सा है आपके वीक में, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? जस्ट गैस. यस, मंडे इज़ द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द वीक एंड संडे इज़ द लास्ट डे ऑफ द वीक. ओके ओके, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द मंथ्स. मंथ्स के बारे में अब हम बात करेंगे. देयर आर 365 days in an ordinary year and the month of February has 28 days. But every fourth year, February has 29 days and the year has 366 days. It is called a leap year. Okay? तो 1 year में कितने months होते हैं? 12 months होते हैं, right? And 1 year में 12 months होते हैं. डेज कितने होते हैं? जैसे अभी हमने डेज किए थे, 1 वीक में 7 डेज होते हैं. सो जो हमने अभी पढ़ा था मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेनेसडे, वैसे ही 1 year में मंथ्स तो 12 होते हैं, बट डेज कितने होते हैं? 365 इन ऑर्डिनरी ईयर. ओके, बट एवरी 4 months, आफ्टर एवरी 4 months, हमारे हर 4 month में जो फेबररी का मंथ होता है वो 29 हो जाता है. वैसे तो एवरी ईयर 28 ही डेज होते हैं फेबररी में, बट एवरी 4 year में जो फेबररी वाला मंथ होता है, द स्मॉलेस्ट मंथ विच हैज़ 29 डेज, इट मीन्स दैट उसमें हमारा 1 day इंक्रीज हुआ है, तो हमारे पूरे ईयर में भी 1 day इंक्रीज हो जाता है. 365 से कितना हो जाता है? 366 days. That's why we call that year a leap year. Okay, so look at these calendar. The calendar given below shows the months of the year in order. This is the calendar 2019. Here months are also displayed starting from January, February, March. These are the months. We know that there are 12 months in a year. So the first year is January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, these are the 12 months of a year, in a year. Okay, Months are also identified by their position in the year. As 1st January is the first month of the year, as 6th June is the 6th month of the year, and 12th we can say the 12th month is the year. The 12th month in a year is December. Okay, all the months do not have equal number of days. Some have 30, some have 31, and one month has even less. जितने भी हमारे 12 मंथ्स होते हैं सबके इक्वल डेज नहीं होते. जैसे 1 वीक में 7 डेज होते हैं, ये तो हमें पता है. बट जितने हमारे मंथ्स होते हैं सब में इक्वल डेज नहीं होते हैं. किसी में 30 डेज होते हैं, किसी मंथ में 31 डेज होते हैं, एंड एक मंथ ऐसा है जिसमें 28 डेज होते हैं, स्मॉलेस्ट मंथ. ओके, जिसमें लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ डेज होते हैं. सो वी जस्ट राइट दीज मंथ्स नेम on the board first. Okay, this is chapter 10, time, and we know that our topic is calendar. Okay, and first of all we'll write first calendar units. Do you know that calendar units? Calendar units, like 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 year is equal to 12 months. And 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. Months तो 12 होते हैं, but week कितने होते हैं? 52. That means 52 weeks makes 12 months and 12 months make 1 year. And plus 1 day. When we have a leap year, that is, we include 1 day also. And 1 year is equal to 365 days or 366 days. 365 डेज तो हमारे ऑर्डिनरी डेज होते हैं, एंड 366 डेज हमारे लीप ईयर में होते हैं, जो एवरी 4 ईयर में रिपीट होते हैं. ओके, एंड 10 ईयर मीन्स 1 decade. 1 decade मीन्स 10 ईयर. जब 10 साल कंप्लीट होते हैं तो उसे हम बोलते हैं 1 decade. ओके, एंड 100 years is equal to 1 century. Right? Okay, these are the units of the calendar. So we just repeat it. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to 52 weeks plus 1 day. 1 year is equal to 365 days और leap year में 366 days. Okay, and 10 years is equal to 1 decades. जब हमारे 10 years complete होते हैं तो उसे हम 1 decade बोलते हैं. And when we have completed 100 years, 100 years हमारे complete होते हैं तो उसे हम बोलते हैं 1 century. Okay, now we have month's name also. We just write here month's name. First of all, we'll write month's name. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, so this is the first month of the year, and this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, and 12th. Right, so February has the least number of days, that is 28 or 29। फरवरी में हमारे कितने नंबर ऑफ डेज होते हैं? 28 एंड 29। नाउ जस्ट काउंट द डेज ऑफ जनवरी मार्च। आप बता सकते हैं कि जनवरी मार्च अप्रैल में कितने डेज होते हैं? और इसकी हमारे पास एक ट्रिक भी होती है, आपकी फिंगर्स होती हैं। ओके, तो आप जैसे आप 4 फिंगर्स को आप काउंट करते हो, जिसके 31 नंबर ऑफ डेज होते हैं, और जो उनकी गैपिंग होती है उनको 30 नंबर ऑफ डेज। लाइक नंबर ऑफ 31 डेज, मंथ्स हैविंग 31 डेज। जो मंथ्स में 31 डेज होते हैं वो हमारे हैं जनवरी 31 एंड मार्च 31, मे ऑल्सो 31, जुलाई 31 एंड August 31, October 31 and December also 31. Now skip one month. जब हम एक मंथ स्किप कर रहे हैं, लाइक जनवरी 31 देन फरवरी 28 और 29, 1 मंथ में ओनली हमारे 28 और 29 डेज होते हैं। अदरवाइज स्किप 1 मंथ। आप एक एक मंथ अगर स्किप करेंगे, मार्च 31 देन स्किप अप्रैल, मे 31 देन स्किप जून, जुलाई 31, हियर नो स्किपिंग। यहाँ पर आपको कोई मंथ स्किप नहीं करना है। जो आपका 7th एंड 8th मंथ होता है टुगेदर, इन दोनों मंथ में आपके 31 डेज आते हैं। ओके, आफ्टर दैट स्किप 1 मंथ, सितंबर फिर स्किप किया, अक्टूबर 31, नवंबर अगेन स्किप एंड दिसंबर 31। दैट मीन्स काउंट द मंथ्स। कितने मंथ्स में आपके 31 डेज आ रहे हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. That means 7 days, 7 months, sorry, 7 months having 31 days. 7 months having 31 days. Okay, rest of the months, 7 months तो हो गए आपके, 31 days, total months कितने होते हैं? 12, right? So 7 and 5, 12. 7, when we add 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So here 1 month has 28 or 29 days. Now we have left only 4 months, that is April, June, September and November. These months having 30 days. So 4 months are having 30 days. Okay, name these months: April, June, September and November. Children, a calendar, we know that a calendar date helps us to identify a specific day represented within the calendar. ओके, स्पेसिफिक डे के बारे में बताते हैं जो कैलेंडर में रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द फर्स्ट मंडे ऑफ जनवरी 2019 as given in the calendar for 2019 is identified as 7th January 2019, which can be written in short form as 7/1/2019. Okay children, look at here. This is the calendar of 2020. ये 2020 का कैलेंडर है। Now look at here. This is the month of January and next is February. After that, February, March, April, May, June. Next is July, August, September, October, November and December. So look at here, this is the calendar of 2020 in which events are also given in the specific date. जो पर्टिकुलर डेट पे इवेंट्स भी दिए हैं जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि इस डेट पे ये फेस्टिवल है। ओके, एंड दिस इज़ द ये तो आपका ओल्ड ईयर का जो चला गया उस ईयर का कैलेंडर है। 2021 में आपको जो हमारा न्यू ईयर है उसमें आपको अपकमिंग इवेंट्स के बारे में पता चलेगा। लाइक आपका होली, दिवाली, रक्षाबंधन एंड जन्माष्टमी, जो ऑल फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं वो कौन कौन सी डेट पर आएंगे. ओके, सो राइटिंग अ डेट, जो एक फॉर्मेट होता है डेट लिखने का, दिस इज द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी. एंड लुक एट दिस, द 6 डेट अगर हम लोग करते हैं यहाँ पर, जो 6 डेट फॉल्स ऑन, कहाँ पर आपकी फॉल्स हो रही है, वो मंडे. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट इट एज मंडे 6 2020. ओके, और मंडे 6, नो, वी कैन राइट इट एज 6 जनवरी 2020. राइट, हम इसे ऐसे बोल सकते हैं और ऐसे रीड कर सकते हैं, 6 जनवरी 2020. 6 January 2020. So we can write this date. इस डेट को हम किस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, 6/01. That means January. January is the first month of the year, and 20 और 2020 हम पूरा रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं इसे लाइक 2020, क्योंकि वो सेशन आपका और 2020 चल रहा है. सो 6 तो आपकी डेट है जो मंथ्स में फॉल है. मंथ्स आपका ये वीक्स को शो कर रहा है, संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे. एंड 6 डेट पे आपका मंडे फॉल्स है, आपके मंडे को 6 डेट आ रही है. तो मंथ्स में आपके वीक्स दिए होते हैं. ओके, तो 6 नंबर पे आपका मंडे है, मंडे को आपकी 6 डेट है, एंड मंथ्स इज 01, दैट मीन्स जनवरी, एंड द सेशन इज 2020 का ये कैलेंडर है, तो 2020 ये चल रहा है. ओके, तो हम इस तरीके से डेट लिख सकते हैं. हम अपोजिट में भी डेट लिख सकते हैं, हम ऐसे चेंज भी कर सकते हैं, पहले ईयर लिख सकते हैं, देन वी कैन राइट ऑल्सो मंथ्स, एंड देन दी डेज, जो स्पेसिफिक डे हम लिखते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? Okay, students, this is exercise 10G, and here question number 1. You have to solve these questions only in your book. Now come to the question number 2. Which of the following years are leap years? So here years are given like 1872, 1902, 1984, 2000, and so on. So we have to find out leap years. What is a leap year? A year is a leap year if it is divisible by 4. So we just divide these years by 4, then we can easily get the leap year. So we'll solve these questions on the board. Here I have already written exercise 10G. This is question number 2. Which of the following years are leap year? 1872, 1902, 1984, 2000, and so on. So come to the first year. This is 1872. Now we'll divide this year by 4. Okay, 1872. So step by step we'll divide it. At first we'll compare the first number. Two numbers 4 and 1. We'll compare which is greater, 4 or 1. Here 4 is greater, so we can't divide 1 by 4. We'll take two numbers, both the numbers 1, 8, that is 18. Okay, so we'll just recite the table of 4 for 18. Let's recite the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. Now I'm stopping the table. Why? Because 18 is smaller than 20. Right? 18 is smaller than 20 and greater than 16. So 16 is near to 18. So we'll just recite the table 4 for 4 times. 4 fours are 16. Now we'll subtract it. 8 minus 6 will get here 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Now 2 is smaller than 4. So we can't divide it. Just bring down 7. हम 7 नीचे लेके आएंगे. Now it is become 27. So recite the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 nines are 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36. Okay, this is the table of 4. Now here 27 is not comes in the table of 4. So here check, 28 is greater than 27, 24 is near to 27. So we'll write here 4 6 are 24. Now subtract it. 7 minus 4 will get here 3, and 2 minus 10, 2 minus 2, 0. Now 3 is smaller than 4, so we can't divide 3 by 4. Just bring down 2. Now it will become 32. Now recite the table of 4. Here the table of 4, here 32. So 4 eights are 32. Now subtract 32 by 32 from 32. We'll get here 0. So the remainder is 0. 1872 is exactly divisible by 4. Here we have no remainder. So this is a leap year. Leap year. Okay. This year is exactly divisible by 4. So this is a leap year. Now come to the next year. This is 1902. We'll also divide this number by 4. 1902. Again here 1 is smaller than 4. Now we'll take both the numbers. It is 19. Now recite the table of 4. So here the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. 20 is greater than 19, and 16 is smaller than 19. So we'll write 16. Okay. 4 fours are 16. Subtract 16 from 19. 6 from 9. We'll get here 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So no need to write any 0 here. 3 is also smaller than 4. So bring down it. We'll take down 0. Now it's become 30. So again recite the table of 4. Here the table of 4. So 30 is not here. We'll write here 28. So 4 sevens are 28. Again subtract it. 8 from 0. We can't subtract because 8 is greater than 0. So 0 take 1 borrow from this side. It will become 10, and here it will become 2. Now 8 from 10 will get here 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Again here is 2. 2 we can't divide. So bring down 2. It's become 22. Now recite the table of 4 one more time. 22 is not comes in the table of 4. So we'll take this smaller and near to the 22. Here 24 and 20. 24 is greater than 22, and 20 is smaller than 22. So we'll write here 20. First we'll write here 4 5s are 20. Now subtract it. We'll get here 2. 2 minus 0 will get here 2. Now 2 is also smaller than 4, and here no number. So we can't divide 2 by 4. So it will be remain here. Right. So we have a remainder here. We can't divide 1902 exactly by 4. So that's why it's not a leap year. Not a leap year. When a year exactly divisible by 4, it is a leap year. When it's not divisible by 4, exactly divisible by 4, it is not a leap year. Like this you will solve all the years. You can get a leap year when you divide the years by 4. अब आपको जितने भी ईयर्स यहाँ पर दिए हैं उनको आप 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे. अगर वो एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड हो जाते हैं तो दैट मीन्स दिस इज़ अ लीप ईयर. अगर नहीं होते हैं, आपको रिमाइंडर मिलता है, तो इसका मतलब कि वो लीप ईयर नहीं है. ओके ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हाउ मेनी डेज आर देयर इन द फॉलोइंग? Part A, 1 week 3 days. So we'll solve this question here. This is question number 3. How many days are there in the following? Part A. Question number 3, Part A. 1 week 3 days. 1 week 3 days. Okay. Okay students, this is question number 3. How many days are there in the following? Part A, 1 week 3 days, 3 weeks, 3 weeks 4 days, 4 weeks 6 days. Now we'll solve this question here. This is how question number 3, Part A. 1 week 3 days. So we have to convert this into days only. Days में convert करना है. So we know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 7 days plus 3 days, because 3 days are also given here. 7 plus 3, 10. When we convert 1 week into 7 days, so the given days will add from the converting days, will easily get the answer. Now take one more example. Part B. This is 3 weeks. Okay, we have to find out the days. So we know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 3 weeks is equal to 3 multiply 7 days. 3 multiply 7, 3 sevens are 21. So in 3 weeks we have 21 days. Understood everyone? Now this is part C and D. You have to solve these questions your own. Look at the question number 4. How many weeks and days are there in the following? This is how many days are there in the following. So here weeks are given and we have to convert week into days. Here days are given, we have to convert days into week. Okay, so converting days into week, what we'll do? Converting days into week, what we'll do? We know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 day is equal to 1 out of 7 week. Okay, 1 week is equal to 7 days and 1 day is equal to 1 out of 7 week. So here 8 days. So we'll just write this one. 8 days, we have to find out the week. 8 days is equal to how many weeks? So 1 day, we know 1 day is equal to 1 out of 7 weeks. 8 day is equal to 8 out of 7. That means 8 divided by 7. So in rough, you will divide it 8 divided by 7. So just recite the table of 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So here 14 is greater than 8. So we'll write this one. 7 1s are 7. Now subtract it. We'll get here 1. 1 is smaller than 7. We can't divide. So it will be remain here. That means the remainder part will become days. ये हमारा days में convert हो जाएगा. And the quotient part will become वीक. ओके, वीक्स और वीक में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. अगर हमारा कोई नंबर रिमेन रहता है डिवाइड करने पर तो वो हमारा डेज में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. और अगर हमारा जो कोशेंट होता है उसे हम वीक बोलते हैं. सो द आंसर इज 1 week 1 day. When we convert 8 days into weeks, we will get 1 week 1 day. Now take one more question. This is 15 days. We know 1 day is equal to 1 out of 7 week. Okay. So 15 days is equal to just 15 divided by 7. Again we'll divide it in the rough column. Now recite the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. 21 is greater than 15, so we'll write here 7 twos are 14. Now subtract it. 5 minus 4 will get here 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 will be remain here. So 1 will be remain here and converted in days, and 2 the quotient is converted into weeks. Okay, so we'll get 2 weeks and 1 day. When we convert 15 days into weeks, we will get 2 weeks and 1 day. Now students, part C and D you will solve your own. आप ये खुद सॉल्व करेंगे. मैंने आपको समझाया है अभी आपको कैसे सॉल्व करना है. When you convert days into weeks, you will just multiply the given number by 7. When you convert weeks into days, week and days, you will just divide it by 7. Okay. Now this is question number 5 and 6 I have given in the homework. Just look into the question number 5. I am only explaining the question number 5. I will not write here. Okay, you will solve these questions in your maths notebook. A group of tourists stayed in Dehradun for 8 days, in Mussoorie for 11 days, and in Haridwar for 4 days. How many weeks and days in all did the group stay at these 3 places? So what you will do, just write down just what the question asking. A group of tourists stayed in Dehradun. The tourists are visiting Dehradun, Mussoorie and Haridwar. So they stayed there. So first of all, you will just write all the places, just like tourists stayed in Dehradun, tourists stayed in Mussoorie, tourists stayed in Haridwar for 8 days, 11 days and 4 days. Now you have to find out the days and weeks. So what you will do, you will just add all the numbers together, all the days together. 8 days plus 11 days plus 4 days. Now after adding the numbers, after adding the days, 11 plus 8 you will get 19, 19 plus 4 20, 21, 22 and 23. 23 days they stayed there. All the places 23 days they stayed. Okay, now you will convert 23 days into weeks and days. So I have explained how to convert weeks into days and weeks. Sorry, days, how to convert days into weeks and days. So you will just convert 23 days into weeks. Just divide 23 by 7. You will get the weeks and days. Okay. Now this is question number 6. Olympic Games are held every 4 years. They were last held in 2016 in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. When will the next 3 games be held? Are these years leap years? So we know that every 4 years we get leap year. So Olympic Games held every 4 years. The first last held in 2016. Now just add 4 in 2016 you will get the next year. After that add 4 year you will get next year. After that add 4 year you will get the next year. Right. So these two questions, question number 5 and 6, this is your homework. you will solve these questions in your maths notebook. Okay? See you in the next maths tutorial class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.